Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have a special recipe for you. You ever heard of SpongeBob?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Yeah, that guy. Today I'm making Krabby Patties. Stick around. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, so these are the ingredients we're gonna be using. I have crab meat, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, mayo, Creole mustard, some crab ball, some Worcestershire sauce, panko breadcrumbs, some Louisiana hot sauce, black pepper, and some regular breadcrumbs. Also, some chives, lemon juice, and an egg. Okay, so I went ahead and I drained as much juice out of the container that I could. And this is 2 pounds of crab meat right here. It's gonna make about 10 patties. If you use 1 pound, it's gonna make about 5 patties. So right now I'm just sifting through the crab meat, making sure there's no shells in it. Okay, so it's real simple, you guys. You're just gonna add all the ingredients at one time. We're gonna add the mayo. We're gonna add our Creole mustard. We're gonna add our chives, our crab boil, some Worcestershire sauce, some Louisiana hot sauce. That's my preference. Some salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, and then we're gonna add our egg. Now we're just gonna give everything a mix. We're gonna try not to break up the crab meat too much. Now, mind you, I didn't have lump crab. This actually was like a mixture of crab meat, but we're just gonna gently mix it. Now we're gonna use the juice of 1 small lemon. Make sure you don't get any of the seeds within your crab mixture. And now this part, I'm gonna generously use breadcrumbs, because the breadcrumbs is going to be used to soak up any extra moisture you have within your mixture. So you're going to see I'm going to use a generous amount because I kind of want these crab cakes to dry out. This way your crab cakes are going to hold up well. It's a lot of wet ingredients that we added to this mixture, and you really don't want a wet crab patty trying to fry it. It's gonna break apart, and that's not good. Okay, so I have this little thingamajig here. It's actually used for breakfast. This is for like frying eggs if you want to keep it a certain size. There's a bigger one that comes for the pancakes. But we're going to use this to shape our patties. We're going to stuff this packed tight on some parchment paper. And we're gonna do all the patties the same way. Now our patties are all made. We're gonna go ahead and throw them into the fridge for about 2.5 to 3 hours. We want them to dry out a little more.
A few moments later.
So now it's been 3 hours. I took the crab cakes out of the fridge. I'm gonna pack them tight, make sure they're not loose. I'm gonna throw them into the flour, then an egg wash, and then the panko breadcrumbs. And now we're just gonna do that for the rest of the patties. Now all our patties are made. Now it's time to put them in a pan. So what I did was I went ahead and did a thin layer of cooking oil. I use grapeseed oil. That's just what I like to use. I did it on like a medium heat. And we're just gonna add our patties to them. And we're gonna let them brown on both sides, about 2 minutes per side. And once all of our Krabby Patties are done, I'm gonna go ahead and drain them on a piece of paper towel. I'm gonna place them on a baking sheet, pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 3 minutes, so that way the center of the Krabby Patty can be nice and hot. And in the meanwhile, while that's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and start on our Remoulade sauce. We're gonna add some mayo, some Creole mustard, pretty much similar ingredients to the crab cakes. We're gonna add some hot sauce. We're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna add a pinch of cayenne pepper. And we're gonna add some finely chopped shallots, some finely chopped garlic, and also some finely chopped pickles. And we're gonna use the juice of a half of a small lemon. And now we're just gonna give that a whisk. Mix all the ingredients together. Make sure it's incorporated well. So I went ahead and tasted it. I felt like I needed a little more Worcestershire sauce, a little more Creole mustard, and a little more hot sauce. Now, if you've tasted Remoulade sauce before, you know it has a tangy flavor to it, so that's what I was going for. Then we're gonna add some parsley to finish it off. I tasted it again, and it was perfect. Now, some people like to add horseradish to their Remoulade, but I don't like horseradish, so I'm not adding that. But look here, this is the consistency that you want. Now our Krabby Patties and our sauce is all done. But I told you, we're making Krabby Patties. Man, Mr. Krabs, I hate if I opened up shop right next to his restaurant. And look, I just want to say, you know, I appreciate all my supporters. I appreciate everybody that come and watch my videos. You know, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you're thinking.